Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So in this particular video I am going to just share with you that how I made use of ChatGPT to get my first work done. I recently got a work from a client and that client needed some track description. The person has a website and people can look for music track using English words. So this person named as Nick, he want me to create other track keywords that should be in Bengali and Hindi. Example, if somebody is going to the website and searching the keywords in Bengali or Hindi, he should get the same result as he would get by using an English keyword. So these are the keywords. I need to translate this one into 10 different lines, and those lines should be written in English word. So this is the line that I have, like unicorn prancing through a magical forest. I'm going to ChatGPT and we will get this particular writing tab here. So you can just search like I need 10 different sentences for this phrase in Hindi. Okay, for this sentence there will be 10 phrases and the wording should be written in English letters. If I search for it, then you can see that these are the results that I have, that there are 10 answers and all of them are written in Hindi. So suppose that I want the same thing in Bengali, I just go here and then just change the wording, the command that I have. I need 10 different sentences for this particular phrase in Bengali and they should be written in English letters. So if I go here and search for it, you will be able to see that ChatGPT has generated the results. The results are also written in English, so I can just go and copy paste them. Let me show you that how I created the file. This is the file that I edited for my client. You can see that these are the search descriptions of this particular first line in Hindi as well as the other one in Bengali. Similarly, the second line that I have, this is the second line that was the requirement, and then I created this Hindi and the Bengali version of this. So in this way I completed this first project using ChatGPT that I got in Upwork. So this is how it works, and let me show you another example. For example, I want to do some calculation using ChatGPT. For example, what is 10%? Okay, let me write 1.5% of 1.587 million. Okay, this is just to show you that how ChatGPT does the calculation. It does the calculation, it also describes that how it is done and then gives the answer as well. Now let me write another one, that is the last one, that how to write an email. This is just a random request that I'm giving to ChatGPT, and let's see that how he does this. So you can see that ChatGPT has written the email for me. If I want, I can make some changes as well, or if I want to regenerate it, I can also click on regenerate and it will just create another email with a very similar meaning but with a different look. Now suppose that this particular email is very big for you, you can also short it down. So what you can write is short down the above email in 200 words. So that's it, this is how it is done. So I made use of it and I am making use of it to apply for jobs, do some calculations, even doing some work like this, and it is a very helpful free thing that you can do for yourself. I'm sure that if you were not aware of it, you must be very happy seeing this and you will be able to make use of it in your work and daily life. If you liked this video and it was helpful, let me know in the comment, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.